getting grandma sa bahay niya, and so she can stay with us for, I don't know, maybe a week until they get their electricity, their power, and then their water back. Ay, aga America, happy Saturday. So aalis kami ngayon. Mag-grocery shopping kami. We're gonna see if we can actually buy something from the groceries right now kasi according sa mga people around, it's crazy sa mga grocery places around us. Crazy as in like ang daming taong nag-grocery shop, and then halos wala ka nang mabibili kasi it's all wiped out. So we're gonna see. Yeah, and then at the same time, right now, I don't have my wallet with me. I don't know where I put my wallet. I think nasa car, but I can't find it sa mga bags na ginagamit ko. So I think it's in the car. Okay, so welcome to our new... I like this. Alright, we're on our way to... Where are we gonna go? Walmart? Walmart. Look. What? Oh, there's the apples. But I like the Aldi's one better. I like white. Well, at least we got... Well, at least we got the beef jerky here. If all else fails. Look at that shelf. And then I don't know what grandma wants, like what she eats. Look at that. Okay, so we are choosing trash bins kasi si grandma, she will stay with us for I don't know how long kasi nga yung Fort Myers has been hit really bad. So wala pa silang electricity, wala silang tubig. This is what I have in the my office. Guys, nasa garden na naman tayo. I'm gonna check out yung money tree kasi sabi ni Mommy good luck daw yun. So I don't know if you believe in those things, but we do. So here it is. Nakita daw niya to sa vlog ko last time. Lucky bamboo. I think this is what she meant, the money tree. Oh goodness, look at this. This is what they call the cotton candy grapes. So we've got this.
Green ones. He likes it. Look at that. Oh my God.
Yay!
Try these cotton candy.
Moon drops and cotton candy.
But they do taste like cotton candy.
That's the only one that they got left. They're wiped.
They're wiped out of everything. So all they have
Everything.
was
I don't doubt it.
But the thing is, and they had 2 of these left, luckily. But I asked them, is it
from
really hot?
Publix.
No, it's just a sauce they drizzle on top of the bread.
So maybe if you don't
I'm
get,
gonna cut those with the knife. In
yeah,
half.
it's just, ooh, looks good. Is it hot? Or is it?
Yeah, you need to drink more.
Oh gosh. Hey, hapon na po. Actually, it's already 6 o'clock in the evening. And natulog kasi kami. Nap kami ni Colton because last night he was it was a very tough night again last night. So he woke up at around 2 o'clock. Tapos he started crying and hindi siya makonsole. So he didn't go back to sleep until after an hour and a half. So syempre, ayun, medyo ano na naman yung ating tulog, but kaya ayun. Anyway, schedule pala for today na mag-water ng plants. And I think need na rin ng plants to be watered kasi I can see na medyo nag-dry na talaga sila. So I'm just gonna do that. And kasi tomorrow baka aalis kami. Pupunta kami to get grandma. Tomorrow Sunday. So yeah, and tomorrow yung schedule namin in getting grandma sa bahay niya, and so she can stay with us for, I don't know, maybe a week until they get their electricity, their power, and then their water back. But we're not sure kasi right now, yun pa yung pinifigure out ni Chris kung paano kami makakapunta sa kanila and get her kasi yung tawag dito, yung road that we normally go to or we normally use is the I-75 nasira from Sarasota papunta sa kanila. So we're trying to figure out kung meron pa bang other way na hindi namin kailangang gumamit ng road na yon. And so far wala pa kami nakikita. Alright, so here she is. I bought her. She's so pretty. So I'm going to fertilize her. I already fertilized the other plants outside, so but I forgot to do her. So it says bright indirect light. So actually I'm trying to figure out kung saan ko siya ilalagay na meron. Siguro dito na lang. Dito. I was putting her in here. Kasi parang ano din siya eh, may indirect light din siya from the window. So I think that's fine. Yeah, she's so pretty. Sabi kasi ng mom ko, good luck daw to. So it's called a money tree. I mean, they do call it a lucky bamboo. Actually, for me, wala namang mawawala. So let's do it. You know what I mean? I don't know if I'm overwatering it or not. Let me see. I think I can still go. Look at my handsome boys. Mommy's handsome boys. Mommy's handsome boys.
Oh, such great craft supplies.